So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to mint 10,000 NFTs. So if you've clicked on this video, I assume you must be knowing how to separate out layers for your NFT. So the first thing you need to do is you need to separate out these layers. Suppose you have background, face, eyes. So suppose you have eyes now. You need to create separate layers for the eyes and you will get somewhat this kind of an output. Like these are all the layers, PNG files. They're all PNG files and they are separate layers. Face, hair, and so on. So go to the web browser and type raremint.com, and then you need to go sign up. As I already have an account, I'm not going to sign up. And then go to new project or your projects, add new project, and then click on group and name your NFT collection. I'm going to name it Smile, and then give different layer names. Like first one is background, so I'll give it background. Then comes eyes, mouth, hair, face. And then wherever you have saved your PNG files, you need to bring those files independently in these layers. So I've chosen background. I'll bring this background file and select all the backgrounds and drop them here. And then you have to do this with all these the same way. So I've dragged and dropped all these PNG files separated out into these layers: mouth, eyes, face, background, hair. And then the next step, what you want to do is go to generate image and then just type in the number of NFTs you need to be generated. So for the timing, I'm just going to do 30 because it's going to take a lot of time. I'm just showing you how to do it. And then click on generate. And here you got a zip file which you need to extract. So I go here and then I'm going to just show you. So these are all the different NFTs which have been created. So this was pretty much it. If you want me to make a video of how to make separate PNG files of each layer and group them together, I can make a separate video regarding this. You just need to comment down below. And if you like the video, please share. And yeah, thank you.